The present continuous tense describes an action which is happening at the present moment or temporarily. El tiempo presente continuo describe una acción que está sucediendo en el momento o temporalmente. Subject plus verb to be plus verb plus ing. The flight is arriving now. El vuelo está llegando ahora. The flight is arriving now. The boys are playing in the park. Los niños están jugando en el parque. The boys are playing in the park. Present continuous tense, affirmative phrases, frases afirmativas. My parents are working now. Mis padres están trabajando ahora. My parents are working now. I am buying the newspaper. Yo estoy comprando el periódico. I am buying the newspaper. The girls are having a good time. Las chicas se la están pasando bien. The girls are having a good time. They are having their lunch. Ellas están almorzando. They are having their lunch. Our friends are traveling in France. Nuestros amigos están viajando en Francia. Our friends are traveling in France. They are visiting many places. Ellos están visitando muchos lugares. They are visiting many places. The company is having profits. La compañía está teniendo ganancias. The company is having profits. Sales are going up. Las ventas están subiendo. Sales are going up. Present continuous tense, interrogative phrases, frases interrogativas. Verb to be plus subject plus verb plus ing. Is the flight arriving now? ¿Está el vuelo llegando ahora? Is the flight arriving now? Are the boys playing in the park? ¿Están los niños jugando en el parque? Are the boys playing in the park? Are my parents working now? ¿Están mis padres trabajando ahora? Are my parents working now? Am I buying the newspaper? ¿Estoy yo comprando el periódico? Am I buying the newspaper? Are the girls having a good time? ¿Están las chicas pasándosela bien? Are the girls having a good time? Are they having their lunch? ¿Están ellas almorzando? Are they having their lunch? Are our friends traveling in France? ¿Están nuestros amigos viajando en Francia? Are our friends traveling in France? Are they visiting many places? ¿Están ellos visitando muchos lugares? Are they visiting many places? Is the company having profits? ¿Está la compañía teniendo ganancias? Is the company having profits? Are sales going up? ¿Están las ventas subiendo? Are sales going up? Present continuous tense, negative phrases, frases negativas. Subject plus verb to be plus not plus verb plus ing. The flight isn't arriving now. El vuelo no está llegando ahora. The flight isn't arriving now. The boys aren't playing in the park. Los niños no están jugando en el parque. The boys aren't playing in the park. My parents aren't working now. Mis padres no están trabajando ahora. My parents aren't working now. I'm not buying the newspaper. Yo no estoy comprando el periódico. I'm not buying the newspaper. The girls aren't having a good time. Las chicas no se la están pasando bien. The girls aren't having a good time. They aren't having their lunch. Ellas no están almorzando. They aren't having their lunch. Our friends aren't traveling in France. Nuestros amigos no están viajando en Francia. Our friends aren't traveling in France. They aren't visiting many places. Ellos no están visitando muchos lugares. They aren't visiting many places. The company isn't having profits. La compañía no está teniendo ganancias. The company isn't having profits. Sales aren't going up. Las ventas no están subiendo. Sales aren't going up.